Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are making some seafood. We are doing lemon and herb marinated shrimp. So though I am short, I'm not the shrimp we're marinating tonight. I actually went to see Gina at Jiggs-n-Reels in downtown Paris to get some lovely big shrimp. We are going to use our lemon olive oil for this recipe, so make sure you have some at home. Citrus oils are actually really nice to have in your pantry because you can use it for either seafood or your salads or even baking if you want to. And now let's get to the rest of our marinade. So with our marinade, we're going to start with our liquid. So you will need the lemon olive oil first. You will also need some extra lemon olive oil later when we go to cook this up in the cast iron pan. Set that off to the side. You will also need both regular and Dijon mustard for this. And you will also need some garlic, so we've got it minced right here. Toss all that in, make sure you get all that goodness in there. And you'll also need some salt and pepper, so we've got that set in here too. And then you will also need some onion. You can either use a yellow or white onion for this. Then we're just going to give this just a little bit of a stir. There's still more to add to this, but we're just going to get this all nice and amalgamated here. For the next part, you will need basil and parsley. We are just going to mince these up and toss it in as well. Just going to toss our basil in here. Parsley as well. We're just going to incorporate that too. I will say one thing, all the smells that are in this smell amazing. All right, so this looks pretty good. We are going to add this to our shrimp. All right, so we've got our beautiful shrimp here. We're going to take our marinade. We're going to throw this right on top of the shrimp. Oh man, all these smells are making me hungry. But I have to wait. We can also take this and just kind of toss the shrimp in this too. Get them all nice and coated. Try not to break the shrimp when you go to mix it all up. I'd say that looks pretty good. So the one thing I wanted to say too is on our website for the recipe, it does say that you can marinate these overnight if you want to. We're doing this in one day, so we're going from about almost 2:30, and we're probably going to cook these up around 6 o'clock, so at least a few hours. What you want to do at that point, now that the shrimp is all covered, is just get a top on these guys and pop them in the fridge. Alright, so we got our cast iron pan, we've got our shrimp off to the side. We're just going to add our lemon olive oil to the bottom of this pan here. Otherwise, if you were doing this on the barbecue, you could grease the barbecue grill. So we're just going to take each of these one by one, even if there's still some herbs on them, that's okay. It smells absolutely crazy amazing. You want to cook these for about 2 minutes aside, so we will see you in a little bit. First side is done, so let's flip these over. Get that nice pink color on there. And let these go for another couple of minutes. Smell the lemon. Smell the herbs. Oh man, I'm very excited for this. I do love my shrimp, so right here. Ooh. That is such an easy recipe, guys, and it is full of absolute flavor. I love how shrimp is so easy to cook up. It only took 4 minutes to do that, and that is perfect. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Again, if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. We are using shrimp from Jiggs-n-Reels right in Paris with Gina. She's got a great thing going on down there. You know what? No, I'm not going to say that. So to start with our marinade, we are going to... let's try that again. Just give it a few hours. So what you want to do is make sure you put a nice top on these guys and then put them in the fridge. That was weird.